So this is how to form adjectives in Spanish. Adjectives are things that qualify a noun, for example, big, red, or tall. So have a look at adjectives in Spanish. We have to think about whether the noun that they go with is either masculine or feminine. It could also be plural, and how we form them. And the position of adjectives, the majority of them go after the noun. Some, like ordinals, first, second, third, fourth, for example, or other numbers go before. And there are a set of adjectives that go before nouns that are called apocopating ones. So you could have a look at the other video for that. So in English we'd have a red jacket, but in Spanish it would be a jacket red. So, una chaqueta roja. So what do we have to do when we agree them? Agreement means when you change the adjective to fit the type of noun that you're putting it with. So whether it agrees with it's a masculine, a feminine, or a plural noun. So the rules are, if the adjective ends in an O, you change it to an A for the feminine singular. So if the noun is feminine singular, then and the adjective ends in an O, you change it to an A. So rojo, red. Una chaqueta is feminine and it's singular. So rojo becomes roja, a red jacket. Adjectives end in anything else, you leave the same for the feminine, except for nationalities, and there's a separate video on that one. There is one slight exception in a minute, but we'll have a look at this one first. Azul, blue, so that ends in a consonant. Una chaqueta azul, a blue jacket. Adjectives that end in OR, these ones you do add an A for the feminine. So hablador, talkative. Una chica habladora, a talkative girl or chatty girl. So for the plurals, if the adjective ends in a vowel, you just add an S, like you do for the nouns. So alto, tall, los edificios altos, the tall buildings, las casas altas, the tall houses. Adjectives that end in consonants, you add ES for the plural. So azul again we'll use. Los vestidos azules, the blue dresses. Las camisas azules, the blue shirts. Adjective ends in Z, just like for nouns as well. We change to CES for plurals. So let's take feliz, happy. Las noticias felices, happy news. So let's have some practice. You need to change the adjective, if it's necessary, to finish the sentence off. Es un chico pequeño, una regla amarillo, unos dormitorios grande, unas mesas redondo, unos ordenadores potente, unas chicas bajo, unos pantalones corto, unas señales peligroso, una revista moderno, unas políticas extraño. So just change the ones into brackets if they need to, or not, depending. Okay, so looks at the answers. So first one will stay the same, un chico pequeño, because it's masculine. Regla is feminine, so it's una regla amarilla. Dormitorios is plural, so unos dormitorios grandes. Mesas is feminine plural, so we change redondo to redondas. Ordenadores is plural, although this ends in a different vowel. We just put an S on the end, so unos ordenadores potentes. Chicas, feminine obviously in plural, bajas. Pantalones is masculine because we know it's unos, so it's unos pantalones cortos, shorts or short trousers. Unas señales, feminine plural, peligrosas. Revistas feminine, so una revista moderna. And the last one, unas políticas extrañas. Okay, so that was quite a simple practice. Now let's have a go of just translating simple sentences. So 10 to do here. Given the answer to the first one already, doesn't matter. So, a long river would put un río largo. Right, have a go at the other 9. and then we'll go over the answers. Okay, so number 2, unas noticias emocionantes. Number 3, una vista bonita. Number 4, una película divertida. 5, los edificios feos. Una lámpara fea. This one could gente o personas. Una gente contenta, o unas personas contentas, or felices, I suppose you could use as well. Light suitcases, maletas ligeras. Hot cups of tea, tazas de té calientes. And some interested matches, unos partidos interesantes. Okay, so that's the end of the practice. Have a go. Rewind it back if you're not sure. If not, I think you're done.